Hello children, let us learn place value number system today. Come on, learn with me. A number is a basic unit of mathematics. Numbers are used for counting, measuring and comparing amounts. A number system is a set of symbols or numerals that are used to represent numbers. The most common number system uses 10 symbols called digits from 0 to 9 and combination of these digits. Digits are part of the number. For example, if you take 358, there are 3 digits, namely 3, 5 and 8. Place value. Place value is nothing but the value of each digit in a number. Let us say if you take for example number 50, where 5 is in tens place and 0 is in ones place. 0 and 5, they both have each value at their own place. There are two types of number place value system. One is Indian system and another one is international system. If you take a look at the Indian system, we classify into three types: periods, figures or places, and digits. In periods, we classify into four types as ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. And digits, for example, if you take 1, you have only one digit, and if you take 2, you have two digits. So if you see any two digits, then you can easily identify it as tens. And if you see three digits, then it is known as hundreds. For example, if you take 300, if you take the number 3, it is placed at the third position, which is at 100th position, and 0 at 10th, and 0 at first position. So if you classify, it will be like 300 plus 0 plus 0, because 0 doesn't have any value. If you take in another example, 5, 6, 7, 8, which has 4 digits, and if you see in the chart, 4 denotes thousands. So 5 becomes 5,000, and 6, it becomes 600 because it is in 100th place, and 7 becomes 70, and 8 becomes 8 because 8 is in first place. So overall, if you classify, if you split and write, you'll have 5,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 8. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. If you compare the Indian and international, crores and lakhs are classified into millions. For example, if you see lakhs, in Indian we call it as lakhs, and in international we call it as 100,000s. 10 lakhs for millions, crores for 10 millions, and 10 crores for 100 millions. And also, if you see in international place value chart, we classify the numbers into three parts. Let's say if you take the zeros, see they are classified into three parts for 100,000, millions, and 10 million. Whereas in Indian, we classify the last one as 3 and the rest into two parts. Okay, let us take a 6-digit number. In Indian system, we call this as 2 lakhs. And in international system, if you see, we call it as 200,000. If you take this number, which has 7 digits, in Indian we call it as 10 lakhs, and international we call it as 1 million. But if you take a look, both have the same 6-digit zeros. So there is no difference between the Indian and international, just the way how we place the value. But the digits remain the same in general. I can just give you a simple trick, for 10 you have 1 0, for hundreds you have 2 zeros, for thousands 3, 10,000 4, and 1 lakh it's 5, and so on, so that you can easily identify. Also, a 7-digit number which has 6-digit zero, then you can easily say it is as 100,000 or 1 lakh. So this is what the number system is. Thank you all. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.